Ever feel like staying organized and managing your schedule could be easier? Today, I'm here to guide you through the process of adding events to your iPhone calendar effortlessly. Let's jump right in and get started. First, open the Calendar app on your iPhone. Then navigate to the date you want to add an event to. Next, tap the plus icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Now, enter the title of your event. After that, make sure the start and end date and time are correct. If they aren't, set them properly. Next, tap on Repeat to choose how often the event should repeat. After that, tap on Alert to select when you want to be notified. Once you're done, tap Add at the upper right corner of the screen, and just like that, your event is added. So that's how you add events to your iPhone calendar. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. For more iPhone tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel because I've got plenty more to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!